Hi everybody, welcome to this class again and today I am discussing about the salient features of virus. Very commonly heard name, viruses. And we have suffered, almost all of us have suffered from the ill effects of virus. Very common is the viral flu, and we know that many other diseases are caused by many dreadful and serious diseases are caused by viruses in plants as well as in animals and in humans. But interestingly, they were not considered as a member in the five kingdom classification of living beings by R.H. Whitaker. Why? Because they cannot be truly considered as living beings as they are not having their own cellular structure. And that is why they were not considered by R.H. Whitaker in any of these kingdoms, in the five kingdom classification. Okay, but scientists were observing these minute microbes which were causing diseases in plants. The disease name is tobacco mosaic disease, TMD. And in the TMD infected plants, the scientist who was known as Dmitry Ivanovsky observed that these are the microbes which is causing this disease, and the disease can be spread to other healthy plants also. So another scientist, who was known as M.W. Bezernek, he observed that when you take an extract in the form of fluid, that can infect the other healthy plants. And he named the fluid also as Contagium vivum, or vivum fluidium. That means infectious living fluid. So these studies were being made by the scientists and different scientists, and then ultimately WM, to be correct, WM Stanley, he observed that viruses were can be crystallized, and these crystals contain largely proteins. Okay, so viruses are nucleoproteins, and they are obligate parasites, and they are inert outside their living host cell. Okay, so these observations were made. These are very important points regarding viruses. And then further studies showed that they not only contain protein, but they contain genetic material, RNA or DNA, ribonucleic acid or deoxyribonucleic acid. Now, the important point to note here is that no single virus or no virus can have both RNA and DNA. Only one has to be there, either RNA or DNA. To clarify it further, the viruses which infect the plants, they contain single-stranded RNA. Viruses which infect the animals, they contain double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Okay? And the viruses which infect the bacteria, they contain double-stranded DNA. Now, these are the nucleoproteins, and how these nucleoproteins can be protected. So, there is the protein sheet, protein coat, which is protecting the nucleoprotein, and this protein coat is called the capsid, and capsid has subunits, okay, which is called capsomeres, and capsomeres can be of different size and shapes, okay, and these capsomeres protects the nucleic acid. They are arranged in different shapes, okay. They can be polyhedral geometric forms. So viruses causes many diseases, as we all know, in plants as well as in animals. starting from mumps, smallpox, herpes, okay, and influenza that I mentioned earlier also. AIDS in humans, COVID, we have all experienced how dreaded it is. And in plants also, like I am mentioning number of times, your tobacco mosaic disease, TMD, and other diseases like curling, yellowing, and vein clearing, dwarfing, and stunted growth, all are caused by viruses. So these are some silent features which I wanted to discuss in this video. So I hope this will help you, and I will come again with some other important topics. So thank you very much, and God bless you all.